Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's a girl again, Luminous Skincare. If you're seeing my face for the first time, hi, I'm Luminous, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for always tuning in. So today I'll be teaching you guys how to make your own hyaluronic acid serum. This is a very good serum. It can even be used on your stretch mark, just that it takes a longer while to work. It locks in moisture into your skin very well. So this hyaluronic acid serum is something you want to give a try. So the first thing I'll be going in with is with my aloe vera gel. So instead of this aloe vera gel, you can substitute with either your witch hazel or any eye juice of your choice, but I prefer to use aloe vera gel at the moment. So I'll be adding my aloe vera gel at 12 grams. 12 grams of my aloe vera gel is what I need. So that's what I have there. So the next thing I'll be adding to my mixture is my allantoin powder. I'll set this aside, and in another plastic I'll be measuring my allantoin powder into it. I'll be measuring just about, not even up to a gram of my allantoin powder. That's enough. I just need a little bit of my allantoin powder. The next thing I'll do for this is to add my distilled water into my allantoin powder. I'll be using my rose water. So I'll be adding just 31 grams of my distilled water into my allantoin powder. 31 grams of my distilled water. 31 grams ish. So I have 31 grams of my distilled water there. I'll go ahead and set this aside to clear up completely, and I'll be back. So the next thing I'll be doing, I'll come back to my aloe vera gel. So the next thing I'll go in with is with my hyaluronic acid. I'll be adding 12 grams of my hyaluronic acid into this. I'll be adding 12 grams of my hyaluronic acid. 12 grams. So that's 12 grams of my hyaluronic acid. So the next thing I'll add into this is my panthenol. I'll be adding my deep panthenol into this mixture. So here I have my hyaluronic acid and my aloe vera gel. So I'll add 1 gram of my panthenol into this. So that's 1 gram. So I'll go ahead and mix this very well. Once I've mixed this very well, I'll add my distilled water that I added my allantoin. I'll add it into the mixture. So I'll go ahead and mix this very well. I'll go ahead and mix this very well. So the next thing I'll be adding to this is my preservative. I'll be adding just a little bit of my preservative. I'll be adding just a little bit of my preservative into this. So because this is a bit watery for me, it's a bit watery for me, and I want it to be thick. Had it been I was using my hyaluronic acid powder, this would have been thick automatically, because hyaluronic acid is always helping a product thicking up. But because I didn't use my hyaluronic acid powder, I used the liquid. So I'll go ahead and dissolve a little bit of xanthan gum and add to this to give it that thick, a little bit thick consistency I want. So I'll go ahead and dissolve a little bit of xanthan gum into another bowl. So I have a little bit of my xanthan gum here. I'll add a glycerin into it, just a little bit of glycerin as well, enough to dissolve this. So I have that. So I'll go ahead and mix this thoroughly. Once I mix this thoroughly, I'll add it to my mixture. Because I do not want this to be too thick, I'll be adding just a little bit of the xanthan gum into my mixture, because if I add everything, it might turn out too thick and I might not like it. So I'll be adding just a little bit of my, so that's all I'll be adding. This is enough to give me that thick-like consistency I want from this. So this is the consistency I want. I'm fine with this consistency. You can see how my hyaluronic acid serum turns out. This is a very good serum. You can do this yourself. Use it before applying your face cream in the night. Apply your hyaluronic acid to your face, then you apply your face cream. It will help you lock in moisture into any product you're using. You can see how beautiful it's looking. So this is the simple way to make your own hyaluronic acid serum. I'll go ahead and bottle this and show you what it looks like after bottling it. So this is what my serum looks like. You can see how beautiful it looks. This is what my hyaluronic acid serum looks like after bottling it. I love this hyaluronic acid. So you can make this for yourself. See how beautiful it looks. So thank you very much for watching my video today. If what you watched was helpful, please kindly subscribe to my channel, turn on your notification bell so you'll be the first to notify each time once I'm here with a new video. See you guys in my next video. Until then, bye. Peace.